working on new pipes for the Ultra Cub. These ones were original with the airplane, so I'm guessing they're pretty old, and they're starting to have some rust and problems on that. So I just bought some new stainless steel 120-degree pipes and a new flange. So we got these welded on here. So these will fit this way. So what I'm going to do is just do a quick run. We're going to compare what we've got with the old pipes. We're going to compare then just running with these pipes. And then I'm going to go back to the shop and do the modification to narrow these down, drill holes in here. And that's modification with holes on either side is supposed to reduce the noise level on these pipes. The engine runs pretty loud, so we're going to give it a try and see what we got. Next hot. All right, clear. Now we'll try it with the new pipes, see how that sounds. Clear? So here we have it after I've modified the pipes. After a little bit of learning on this, these are called Piccolo pipes. As you can see from those holes, right? Kind of like a flute or a piccolo. And so the method is you take and you squash down the end of the pipe here, get that narrow profile, it's kind of rectangular. And then you've got these holes. These are all 1/4-inch holes. And these took the end of the drill bit, the shaft of the drill bit, put it in there and bent these forward so they catch the wind. And then that should then reduce the shock wave, right? The pop on the engine as they come through the pipes. So I kind of like the look. It's kind of neat, kind of retro. So I've got that on both sides. And I'm going to give it a test and see how it looks. Brakes are set, chocks are in, prop. All right, so from my perspective, and we'll compare it on the video, it's probably going to be hard to tell from the previous 2 video sections that I had from running the engine. But just from me sitting here, I can tell there's a definite reduction in noise. Another option that I've seen that's been done with these is they took and put a washer, welded a washer in the end of the pipe and made the exit hole smaller, and then the Piccolo holes that they drilled along the side were equal to the amount of pipe that had been blocked off. And so from that, right, you're forcing a lot of that, you still get the same air volume because you have the same number of holes, but that also does a lot to reduce the noise. So I don't know, I mean, I'm too late. I've already modified this and I'm going to stay with it. But interesting option, and be interested to see if anyone out there has any observations. If you've seen anything, please comment on the video. I'd like to know more. I know they do these on motorcycles. They've done it on airplanes back in the 20s, 30s, 40s as a method to baffle the exhaust. So please comment, let me know your thoughts. Would really appreciate it. And thanks for watching.